Guys, good afternoon and welcome to Lilian Herbar channel. And for today guys ay my first day of school tourist guide ng aking anak guys at syempre yung mga kasama niya. So ito guys.
Yes! Alright, before that, let's do the head count first to know if we're all complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. Okay, we're all complete. On behalf of STI Travel and Tours, my name is Sunshine, but you can simply call me Ate Shine. Yes, like the sunshine that brings good vibes and bright smiles all day. I will be your tour guide for today, and I am very excited to explore all of you here in Tigayan Hills. Reminder lang po to always bring your valuables with you. Please check your belongings before leaving the bus or any area. Please stay with the group and follow our schedule so that we can maximize our time here in Tigayan Hills, and also stay hydrated and wear sunscreen as the weather can be warm. And I have here my emergency kit in case of emergency. Okay, do you understand, tourists?
Yes!
At the back, can you hear me? Yes! Alright, we are now here standing at Tigayan Hills. It was discovered in 2014 and it is one of the natural hidden attraction here in Calibo, and it is famous for its peaceful environment. As you can see, green surroundings, caves, beautiful overlooking view of the Aklan River and nearby areas. This place is not only rich in natural beauty, but also in history and culture. According to the local stories and historical records,
So ayan nga guys, sorry kasi hindi kumpleto ang presentation ng aking anak guys kasi yung nag-video sa kanya guys ay pinutol ang kanyang video. So wala siyang magawa kasi syempre hindi siya naghawak ng phone that time kasi siya nga ang nagsasalita. So pasensya na guys, hindi kumpleto ang presentation ng aking anak pero may certificate pa rin naman siya.